Send the sex tape wherever you want. Send it wherever you want. You still have to get up and look in the mirror.
I'm not here to destroy her because I'm going to be honest with you. I still love that girl.
Who says they love somebody, wanted to marry them, asked them to marry them, and could do that to them? Could beat them, could hit them, could black both of their eyes like that?
I'm not a woman beater, and I've never thought about being a woman beater. She was the abusive one, and I want every man out there, don't allow women to hit you. Do not allow women to subject you to being abused and speak out on it. I want y'all to speak out on it because I was embarrassed. I never told much people, but I was embarrassed to say that a woman was putting her hands on me and spitting in my face and biting me and all of these things. I was ashamed as a man.
This man that y'all idolize and y'all think is so great, he will go to any lengths to be a victim, to be right, to ruin me. He's done it time and time before.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, walk on. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time y'all check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, don't forget, you can check out our merch store at teespring.com/stores/Chaddy Murray TV. Yeah man, you can get some bad merch, and we still have the Sickle Strong campaign going on. For each purchase of a Sickle Strong merch, the proceedings will go towards a sickle cell child that is in need. So people, don't forget to check out that something there.
Yo boxer, no massa aneme. Yo tumper, no massa aneme. Yo kicker, no massa aneme.
So people, we're back to talk about the Majah Hype situation. And for those who don't know, me I go give a little track back, a little update on what really they take place. So Majah Hype fiance came out and said him beat her, used to beat her, black and blue, deal with her away. She uploaded that video on her Instagram, which me already talk about that video already, because if you want to see that video, the full video for that, just watch the previous video on my post. Alright, so she come out and say beat her, and you don't know it go. We don't really support them thing there, but yet still, we still don't know if it's true. Now, the immediate day after that, she come out again and I say, yo, Majah Hype release some nudes with her, release a sex tape. And people, may I tell you, it don't look good. And don't bother feel like say I go see the sex tape in this video. No. Chaddy Murray TV, no do that something there. We no partaking of the leaking of no, or the circulation of no sex tape. So if you don't want to see that something there, me no know where I go find it, but do not DM me and ask me if you send no. Disclaimer, big one. So after the sex tape I make it rounds on social media, she come out and attack a bag of things. So she draw the allegations against Majah Hype. And people, we all know say yo, that no look good. It's like we have some unwritten rule where we follow. And every man knows say when the girl them send her the look of a JJ in the phone, it's for your eyes only, not show nobody. And when she forward out on social media now, and I say because of the breakup, Majah Hype release her nudes, release her sex tape, it don't look good. But people, we have Majah Hype there here for defend himself, and Majah Hype did a live yesterday, because right now about 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm still a record. Anyway, that different. Majah Hype do a live yesterday. I explain everything. People, me can't show the full live right here, so because the live is about 1.5 hours. Yeah, it come like a football match, 90 minutes. But guess what? We are gonna try summarize it for you. Talk about some of the point them where Majah Hype make and where the female make, and try find out who wrong from who right. But me I telling you, in my eyes, I feel like said the relationship was just toxic and both parties do them fair share wrong. And me just want to make back that statement there right now, me don't want nobody ridicule me in the comment section, because I am a firm believer that violence against women should end. Me no feel say no woman should not get beaten even if them a give with the VJJ. Cause guess what? Brother, I never fear in the first place. So if them want give to Tom, Dick, Harry cousin them, Harry uncle, everybody in a Harry family, a fear one. Make she issue it out like Salvation Army.
I've held so much things back. And I use my comedy and my drive to become who I am today. So for somebody to try to destroy me after I've been nothing but good to this person, I was molested as a child. I confided in somebody about it, which is Kirby. I told her, I said, listen, I've been through a lot, and I just want to know that you're here for me. I told her I was molested as a child from a male family member. And she took that and she used it as ammunition. We had an argument. She told me that I'm a faggot. She told me that my mother allowed somebody to molest me for 4 years. She threw all of that in my face.
Just like what I said before, me not pick no side. You see me not pick no side. Me just a state what the brother say. Now, if this is true, Kirby, you should do that something there. Nah, man, you should do it. If the brother tell her them is very, very sensitive thing there, and you go so booms and tell it back to him face, them thing they will stir up things and things will happen to you. No, don't get me wrong. Me nah say that is still a reason for him beat her if it is true again. But stuff like those, yo, stir up things in a relationship. You see me, as I said before, this relationship is very, very, very toxic. And me personally feel like say the two of them, if they go part ways, or even if them go part ways, them need counseling. You see me, them need a break for figure out. She need to know what she want, him need to know what him want. Because at the end of the day, him release some damning things about her same way and paint a picture as if like she was a hoe. We not say she a hoe or not like that, but that's the picture that he painted, like she was constantly doing things. Because remember, she came first and said no, she never do nothing and she never do this and this a long time and all sort of things. And then him come and show with some evidence, say, Mama, yeah, he did go on with a little thing here and there. Still not a reason for him to beat her. If him did find out that something there, what him should have done, I just left her. Lower her out, go separate ways. And the next thing, brother, and if he is off a phone searching thing, man, if you have a feeling and you ask her, confront her. She still not gonna tell her the truth, but follow your instinct. You see that phone something there? Or that phone something that mash up your head right now, you know? Cause all when you're looking at the phone and see them thing they were Kirby attack. I remember say Kirby used to tell you, say yo, you look at something, it's small. It can't move our walls them. It not shift no wall. Not even zinc fences. So when you see them thing there, brother, your head not hot up. And that really go on. And it would drive you to do some things where you don't really want to do. You get what me I say? And at the end of the day, Majah Hype strong for forward out on live and talk them thing there. Talk say he was molested. Because in the culture where we live in right now, in a Jamaican culture, yeah, a lot of people think say because a man get molested by a man, it's like him automatically gone that way there and rare and we are gonna make a joke out of it. When a lot of male, them think they are going to a lot of them. And because it is so taboo, them hardly forward out and talk about it. So right now, me not gonna make no joke about it. Me not gonna laugh about it or nothing. Because a serious matter that.
After everything that I said, instead, you release a sex tape of me and are sending it all over the place, all over the world. A sex tape of me from 10 years ago.
Now, this is the question where people are asked. Is there another sex tape? Because the sex tape where is being circulating, at least the one that I saw, her ear never necessarily short and she never have no red thing on the in her ear, which she clearly state that the video at 10 years ago and her ear did short and she did have red on her ear and whatever. We no see that. You see me? The phone where the brother use and I record it. And all him want joke to, you want to see a dog a laugh and a skin out him 32. Anyway, the phone where him I use, I record it. It look like an iPhone 8 to me. And when me check on Google, the iPhone 8 released in 2017. So, unless only did probably get it early, get the version there early. Or I don't know. Let me see, 10 years from back date, that would be 2010. So let me check the iPhone that released in 2010 and see how it would have kind of look. So people, the iPhone that released in 2010 is the one on the left. And the iPhone 8, that's how it kind of look like, how people are speculating. Even Majah Hype took it to his story and a question if it was an iPhone 8. So the photograph on the left is an iPhone 4, which is released in 2010, right? And the iPhone on the right is an iPhone 8, which is released in 2017. Now people, with the phones them with up on the screen, me can't tell which is which and which is like, I can't tell. The front of the phone them would probably look different, but the part of the phone they were we are look on, the back part of the phone, it kinda, you can't know which are which. Because the phone in the brother hand, which is used to record the sex tape, it still look like an iPhone 4, which would have been released in 2010, but yet still the phone in I'm on still look like an iPhone 8. So I am not an iPhone specialist. Me want uno tell me in the comment section the part there how you think it go. Uno believe Kirby or say yo a 10 years ago, or uno believe Majah Hype I say yo watch what day that go on. The building them look recent, the bathroom style look recent. You see me? I don't know, but at the end of the day, more have said this. I feel like say them shouldn't keep them business off social media, and both party really need time for heal. And the man them, please don't beat on a woman over nothing. If you in a relationship and you say it not work, when you say yo that girl and stop go some booms and a get when I do some folly thing where you not really approve of, or you see your wife or girlfriend for you roll them kind of way there, left for brother. Remember say yeah alone born. But look at next girl. And for the ladies them, when you don't take a man kindness for weakness. You see me? You have certain man, them we don't want lick a girl and behave a type of way upon them. Where it kind of taboo, so them still now come a road and attack and I say, yo, say, Jackie beat me and X, Y, and Z. You now go hear a man a come a road attack them thing there. But yet still man out there where I get beaten people. Yes, man out there where I get beaten. Stop do them something there to the ladies. So, me now go pick a side. Me want to tell me in the comment section what you think about all of the saga, yeah. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topic we discussed today. And people, remember, me I beg you please, go on over the merch store. Yeah, go on over there. Go check it out. Remember, each purchase of the Sickle Strong shirt, the proceedings will go towards helping a sickle cell child that is in need. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way. So any other way, the wrong way. My God.